And we are back. Hey Glam Fam. Let me show you how to apply these Kiss lashes. So you're going to need your lashes. We're using the top one here. You're going to need your lash glue, tweezers. I have a couple different, and scissors. So let's go on and get to it. Oh, we forgot the mascara. Let's put our mascara on. Nice little coat, you know. Let's not forget to subscribe, hit that bell, comment, all the times. All right, so we're gonna go in with some eyeliner. We're gonna, I'm gonna show you guys how to get that off, that mascara. So we're gonna line our eyelash line, and I wanna smoke it out a little bit. I just don't want like a thick line there. I wanna just smoke them out. This is actually a really good eyeliner, and it smokes out pretty nice. And as you can see, I'm not using a complete black, which is fine. That band on the eyelash, it'll still be hidden. You won't see it as much. And you want to get as close to the lash line as possible. All right, let's go in with our spoolie and get that mascara off. So if you had eyeshadow on, it wouldn't mess up your eyeshadow. So it's a better way of, so like I was saying, it's a better way than wiping it. So let me show you how to put this lash on. I already did one. So I'm gonna get it from the end, because I'm gonna clip the end off anyway, so I don't care if I mess it up or anything. And this one's real stuck on there. Look at that. Peel that thing off. See, we don't care about that. The end. See how big this is? Dude, that's huge. That's huge. We gotta clip it. So you have to size them to your own eye. So I do a little bit at a time, but I kind of know my eye, so just clip a little bit at a time, then you'll understand like how you want it to be done. So every time I clip it, I size it again. So I don't bring the band all the way to the inner corner because it's uncomfortable, so I just use an eyeliner to make it look like it goes all the way and as one. And then that's a good size. So we're gonna go ahead and glue it on. So I glue it onto the strip. I just rub it on there. And make sure you get the ends really well. I get a little bit more on the ends than the middle because the ends tend to come off easier. Just a little thin line. Now I do not let these dry completely, just like maybe a few seconds or so. So it gives me more time to move them around a little bit. A lot of people like to get it all the way tacky. I don't do that. It gives me time to move them a little bit longer to get them in place. So it's almost like setting it right on top of your actual eyelash. You just want to get it as close as possible to your real eyelash line to make them look like it's your lashes. I had to practice this a lot. It didn't take me too long, but you can get this. Practice every day, like once a day, and you can definitely get it. And I'm just pressing it right on the ends there, everywhere, to make sure it's just completely glued on, and that glue will dry clear. And look how pretty they look. Yee. Imagine like some makeup, so pretty. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Glam fam.